Oh, okay. Got me a supercar. It ain't got no door handles on it, no scrackles. Somebody did some body work to it. I don't know who that person was. Hit the panel. Got us a nice little start, Chris. You ready to go to work? Yeah, I'm sure need some work because the inside look like some understand me going on.
I think it's a dope down behind that damn seat too. The bottom half of it.
Oh, I got mirrors. What we got in there?
I see a dope down somewhere.
Oh no, I don't see no dope man.
There's got some pieces of real estate.
It don't matter. Roger got some. Roger the G-body man got some. He got everything I'm gonna need. I already got a smooth back bumper, smooth front bumper, so we already in the game. Yes, sir. He got that one pipe. What's that one pipe? Oh, he got two pipes. Got two pipes in the back. But we might 350 and skip this on. Hey, and they real too. But I don't know. Look at them skinny pipes. Good God. I don't know who was doing that. For real, look like a lumberjack was doing that. Bless his heart. Don't you worry though. Got the titles. We got two titles. We ready to go.